So keep an eye on Chris Southcott here, seeing what his dad Andy can do, going from the back of the grid into the top 10 in our swinging 60s race. Now let's just see if Tony Ellis in the Mazda RX-7 and Tom Carey made it back out of this, and they're just coming over Hilltop now. Paul Sibley, the red Elan with the gold stripe, very different to the Elan we've just seen in the swinging 60s race, the Space Raid Motorsports Elan. Looking to the back of the grid now. And those two cars, Tom Carey and Tony Ellis, are not there, so not able to repair the damage earlier on. 59 Ian Stapleton looking for a better start inside in the Alfetta. Stephen Moss, I reckon, is into the challenge here in that very bright green Anglia. Great win that in the sunset. Yeah. And look at our Lawson sunset racing to over the last couple of races, but still 15 minutes of racing coming up. That's the SCC Special Salute and Motorsports.
Break number 71, Stephen Moss has just jumped up into the lead. He's still got it. Yes, he does. Paul Sibley in second, and then it looks like I've lost my track of my notes really. The white Escort with the blue patches.
That's Wayne Crabtree. Yes, he's up to third. And Stephen Moss, a cracking start in the Anglia from the second row of the grid. He leads Paul Sibley, then Crabtree, Stapleton is down to fourth. Another slightly tardy start from the Alfa Romeo, and then we've got Piers Gray. Craig Percy is
Thanks, Dave.
Chris Southcott starting with a 10th place grid penalty, having won race 1, the grid based on the results of race 1, but Chris Southcott started from 11th, so we'll see how quickly it takes him to come through. We have a change of leader as the cars come back into my sight. It's Paul Sibley who's got the lead in the Elan, and Southcott, it looks like he's already up into 5th place as Moss fends off Crabtree, coming into the first time the Anglia in second place. Barry Lee out in one of these Space Raid cars in this series. Of course, now helping his son Freddie in the pickup truck championship. We have a change to second. Wayne Crabtree has got the Escort through ahead of Stephen Moss. And clear down to third. There is Southcott closing up on Moss for third. Out in front, the late entry for today's races, but we said he'd be a contender, and he heads them through once again over Hilltop, down to Knickerbrook. Second place still Wayne Crabtree, man from Chelmsford in Ford Escort VDC, the turbocharged Escort in second place. Gap between Hilltop holding off Chris Southcott into Knickerbrook, and that's the Anglia. Slightly better exit from Knickerbrook, a flash of flame from the exhaust of the start. Southcott will again try and slipstream him going up the hill. Through it, before by Pat Smythe. That Motorsports Elan is going well. Range holds him off in the X-Mac 4 car. Paul Connell now. Orange Minor. Savage lookalike